Hello everybody. Today we are going to find the determinant and also the inverse of a matrix. The question says, given the 2 by 2 matrix A, we are asked to calculate the determinant and find the inverse of the same matrix A. And A has 4, 2, and 1, 3. If you want to try it on yourself or by yourself, just go right ahead to pause the video and let me know of your answers. All right, the first thing you need to know before you start working out this is to know the determinant of a matrix A. For example, if it has the elements A, B, C, D, the formula that you're going to use to find the determinant is A, D minus B, C. So in this case for our A, that means A is equals to 4, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 1, and our D is equals to 3. So because of this formula, now we are going to say the determinant of A is equals to AD, A is 4, times D is equals to 3, and we go minus B is equals to 2 times C, which is equals to 1. And 4 times 3, that's a 12, minus 2 times 1, which is a 2, and we get ourselves a 10. So the first part that says find the determinant, so the determinant of this matrix A is equals to 10. Now we go ahead to find the inverse of this matrix A. So one thing you should know, the formula for the determinant. So A inverse is equals to 1 over determinant of A. Then we open the brackets and we have our D. Now you invert them, so this one will be D and this one will be A, and this one will be minus B and this one will be minus C. Just because of that, and we already know the values of A, B, C, and D. So we go right into say 1 over determinant of A. We have already calculated it, and which is 10, so we go ahead and put our 10, and D is equals to 3, so we are going to put our 3 minus B. B is equals to 2, so it becomes minus 2. C is 1, so we go ahead minus 1, and A is 4, and we go on and put 4. So for us to find, we need to simplify this. So we are going to multiply each and every element in the brackets with 1 over 10. So if we go ahead and say 1 over 10 times 3, 1 over 10 times minus 2, 1 over 10 times minus 1, 1 over 10 times 4. So we simplify it further. This one becomes 3 over 10, and this one becomes minus, that's minus 1 over 5, because 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 10 becomes 5. And we go on to say this one becomes minus 1 over 10. And this one becomes 2 into 4, 2 over 5. And that's our final answer. So the determinant is 10, and the inverse of matrix A is this right here. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.